Wow, that tasted like sausages.
Give them my regards.
You gotta do it step by step. Anything? Because. What the fuck?
國家星期一達成大規模自由貿易協議。
A lot of stuff wrong with you. Yeah, you should do what you want to do. Okay. If I wanted to, I could go to Uganda. Wow, that was a good one. I'm proud of that one. What? Everything happened so fast. And everything happened. So like, this is in like Greg Folk's chat, right? And Force's chat and stuff. And we have enough batteries though. I would like to build a bomb in real life.
Oh, it's an unopenable door. So, hi Bose. Didn't you go to sleep and then wake up? Him or you guys are it does, right? The voice acting could be better, but you know. Now what? Oh fuck. Confiscated. Remarks. It's not like everyone. Goal added. How we doing, boys? Is everyone all right? I'm feeling great. I don't know what blow the whistle means.
I'll make you a deal. I was about to blow the whistle on his dirty ass.
Dude, when do I meet the QT Asian girl in there? Oh, fuck. Thank you, Tim.
Side.
I don't know what they'd say.
Lifeboats and proliferate child universe.
Okay. Trivia? Hell yes!
Okay, an easy one.
Oh. That was for you guys! That was for you, chat! I'll get it, hold up. Just not one of my favorite games of all time. Alright, I don't even know how to play. Sitting all day in a chair, oops. Just walk around the streets, content what I like. To miss him.
Still no body armor though.
Yo, if it's something almost impossible, you best believe that I'm gonna.
Am jarking off. Are you? Op. Done.
Alright, I don't even know what to play. Dishonored, one of my favorite games of all time. I'll get it, hold up. Japan has really good culture. Oh, it's right here. Sweet.